Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper protea with the Cricut. And my template is listed below for Cricut and Silhouette users, and the template can also be used as a printout template for those hand cutting. All the materials are also linked below the video. I like to use the opposite side of the fringe to have a second fringe piece, so make sure to save that. You'll need to get 3 sheets of white or off-white text weight cardstock paper and 1 sheet of green cardstock paper. There will be 3 flower shapes, 2 fringe shapes, 1 circle shape, bottom leaves, and additional leaves. Once you have the shapes cut out, you will need to add some gradient red watercolor using this travel watercolor brush. This brush is amazing since the water is already inside the brush. I lightly stroke a red color on the edges, and I might also add some green in the center. There's no real technique for this, no professional watercolor experience is needed. Just lightly coat and blend when you can. Do the same to the other 2 flowers. The last flower, I will be adding color to the whole flower only on one side. Go back to the first flower and flip over and add the same red watercolor. The smallest flower only needs to be colored on one side, so we'll put these to the side to dry and get the center of the flower ready. Cut a 3-inch styrofoam ball in half. Save the other half for another protea in the future. Cut 3 wired stems and poke them into the center on the round side. Once you have the stems poking on the flat side, bend a little bit of the stem so it will anchor onto the styrofoam. Next is the circle shape. Glue a little on the corner and turn into a cone. Glue the tabs and attach onto the styrofoam. Then grab your fringes and shape in. Crease the straight edges. That'll be the part I'll be gluing. By now, the flower shapes we watercolored should be dry. Grab the 2 large flowers and shape by curling in petals. These flowers tend to have a wild shape, so you can shape them randomly. Poke a hole in the center. Gently poke the 3 stems into the center. Glue on the bottom and glue up to the straight edge of the fringes. I like to glue 2 petals at a time. Now attach the next large flower shape and crisscross from previous flower. Attach the smallest flower and crisscross also. There will be a shape labeled bottom leaves, and we will need 2 of these shapes. Curl and glue crisscross the second piece. This is a craft color tissue paper, but you could also use any tissue paper color. I'm folding it down to be a similar height of the stem and wrap around the stem. This is optional if you like the stem to look similar to a protea. The protea tends to have a branch-like stem. Then shape the individual leaves. I like to make this S shape. Now use light brown floral tape and start adding each leaves, no specific order, just placing them randomly. Hope you like this protea, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.